The RD10 electric CNC tube bender from Winton Machine is purpose-built for precision forming of small diameter tubing, including brake lines, refrigeration components, and fuel lines. Designed for efficiency, the RD10 bends stainless steel tubing up to 10 millimeters, up to 3/8 of an inch, using a rotary draw process ideal for tight radius applications. With an average 3-second bend to bend, the carriage spindle design lets you get the end of the tube right up next to the bend tooling. Enhance performance with Winton's collision detection and bend simulation software. Our advanced system uses real-time 3D modeling to detect interference, simulate each bend before production, and optimize setup accuracy. The result? Fewer errors, faster setups, and improved first-part quality. Want to find out what we can do for you? Call 1-888-321-1499 today, or subscribe for more tube fabrication solutions. Got questions? Leave us a comment below. If you want to see more American-made tube fabrication videos, watch one of these additional videos.